Hi students, good morning. Are you fine? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to recall the same lesson food. Okay. In this topic, what we discuss about where does food come from and what do animals eat. Yes. What is the first topic? Where does food come from? Yes, you know what are the main source of food? The main source of food are plant and animal products. Plant products and animal products are the main sources of food. Yes, here you know most of the food item we get from plants. Why? You know plants are producers. All the living organisms depend upon plants. Plants are also called autotrophs. Okay, why plants can able to prepare their own food with the help of carbon. They use carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and they also use they with the help of this they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, then animals, you know animals are heterotrophs. Why? Most of the animals are depend upon plant products and other animals. Okay, from here you see from this plant all the parts are edible. Yes, what are the parts are edible? Root. Yes, some of the plant the root part is used as a food. Example carrot, beetroot, turnip. Yes, these are some of the examples of root. Some plants stem is used as a food. Example sugarcane, then banana stem, lotus stem. Yes, some of the underground stem, potato, ginger, turmeric, and some of them is a bulb, is underground stem like onion and corn. Yes, from this stem sugarcane is used to prepare jaggery and sugar. Okay, then leaves. Some of the plants, the leaves are also used as a vegetables. It's some of the leaves like spinach, cabbage, lettuce. Yes, then cloves. Okay, then flower. Cloves are another category of flower. Okay, flower. Some of the plants, flower is used as a vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, and cloves. Okay, then fruits and vegetables. So what are the names? Some example of fruits: apple, mango. These are common fruits. Yes. Then vegetables, brinjal, cucumber. Yes, these are some of the vegetables. From here we know the cucumber and brinjal is a vegetable. This is not only vegetable. It will also come under the category of fruits also. Okay. Then seed. What are the types of seeds? You know, some of the pulses, cereals, and nuts, and after spicy seeds. These are types of seeds. Okay. What are the pulses? Green gram, chickpeas, okay, then mung gram. These are the some of the pulses. Okay, then cereals example rice, wheat, and maize. You know, wheat is used to make the wheat flour is used to make chapatis and rotis. Okay, then spicy seeds. Names on spicy seeds: cinnamon, cardamom, black peppers. Okay, these are some of the spicy seeds. It is used to give flavor to our food. Yes, then some pulses are used to make a sprouter seed. You know what is sprouter seeds? How you want to make a sprouter? What is sprouter seed? Sprouters, you want to soak a seed under water overnight. Yes, after you want to drain the water, collect the seed from the water, and leave the seed up to germinate. That is sprouting. Yes, the sprouter seed contain good amount of nutrients and they contain some proteins and vitamins. Okay, clear? Then next, animals. Okay, animal food. You know, some of the animals give food. What are the animals? What are the animal food? Meat, milk, honey, and egg. Yes, meat. What are the sources of meat? Can, fish, goat. Okay, these are some of the sources of meat. What are the sources of egg? Can, goose, and duck. Most of the people like to eat egg. Yes, you know the egg contain good amount of protein and vitamin. Okay, then honey. Honey, everyone like to eat honey. Yes, honey is a sweet liquid. Which insect collect honey from flower? Honeybees collect honey from nectar. Yes, we collect and sell the honey in the honeycomb. Honeycomb. We collect honey from honeycomb. Okay. Then the honey is used for preparing some food item and it also has some medicinal values. Then milk. Yes. What are the sources of milk? Cow, goat, buffalo, yak, camel. Yes, in the desert region, the people drink which animal milk? Camel. Himalayan region, they drink yak milk. Yes, here most of the people like to drink cow milk. Yes, the milk contains protein and calcium. Why we need calcium? We need calcium for a proper growth of our teeth, bones and proper nerve functioning. Okay, are you clear? Next, milk products. Okay, what is called milk products or what is called dairy products? The products made from milk is known as milk product. What is the source of milk? Cow. Yes, this is the main source of milk. Yes, what are the, say some example of milk products? Paneer, yes, ghee, butter, cheese, cream and curd. Yes, you know how you want to make paneer? Which process you used for making paneer? Curding process. Yes. If you add some lemon juice into the hot milk, during the curding process, okay, the milk is the milk will give two layers. Okay, one is solid layer, one is liquid layer. Okay, the solid layer is used for making paneer. Okay, then next cheese. Okay, cheese is made from curded milk of cow, goat, buffalo. Then next one cream. Okay, cream is made by collecting the fatty layer of the milk. Then next one butter. Butter is made by churning the fresh cream, string thoroughly, means we get butter. Okay, ghee. If you give heat to the butter, we get ghee. Then curd, preparation of curd. Add some curd sample into the hot milk. Yes, what happens? The curd sample contain bacteria. Yes, this curd sample convert the milk into curd. Yes, who is the milkman of India? Who is the milkman of India? Varghese Kurian is the milkman of India. Next, what do animals eat? What do animals eat? On the basis of the food it has, the animals are classified into herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and also some others also there, scavengers and decomposers. Okay, what is herbivorous? And animals that eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. What is carnivorous? An animal that eat the flesh of other animal is known as carnivorous. Okay. What is omnivorous? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. These three animals have some special character. Herbivorous animals like cow and goat have white blunt teeth. Okay. With the help of these teeth only they pull the grass from the land and chew. And also they have some ability to bring previous valued portion for chewing. It will give more amount of nutrients. Okay. Then some of the herbivorous animals like squirrel, they have sharp front, okay, inside the teeth. Okay, with the help of these teeth only they eat nuts. Yeah. Then carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals have sharp pointed canine teeth, front teeth, yes, and they have sharp claws and jaws. What are the flesh of other animals? Yes? And the shark have sharp needle like teeth. They are helpful for some bunches of fishes. Then frog, yes, with the help of stick it and they catch the prey. Then other example snake, yes, snake will swallow the food whole. Yes, these are some of the examples of carnivorous animal. Then omnivorous. Omnivorous example the human beings and bear and all the types of teeth. Molars, premolars, incisors and canines. All the teeth are present in this omnivorous animals. With the help of these teeth, they can able to eat both plants and animals. After that, what scavengers? Yes, what is scavengers? An animal that eat flesh of already dead animals. This is called scavengers. Yes, example vulture. Then decomposers. What is called decomposers? An organisms that feed on decomposes dead plants, feed on and decompose dead plants and animals is called decomposers. Okay, are you clear? Okay. Okay, now you take page number 18. Students, let's take page number 18. They have objective type questions. Okay, first fill in the blanks with the correct words. What is the first question? Green plants are known as dash because they prepare their own food. Okay, green plants are dash. They have an option, producer or consumer. What is the answer? Producers. What is the answer? Producer. They have, right, note it. Then the stem of dash plant is used to make sugar cane or bamboo, sugar cane. Okay. Then dash is collected from bee hives and has a medicinal value, honey. Which food have medicinal value? Honey. Okay, honey. Then dash is made by churning fresh cream. Stinging, which product? Butter. Okay. A dash feed on the flesh of dead animals. What is the answer? Scavenger or decomposer? Scavenger. Okay, decomposer eat dead remains of plants and animals. Okay, scavengers. Then, what is the first answer? Producer. Second, sugarcane. Third, honey. Fourth, butter. Fifth, scavengers. Okay, are you clear? Did you mark? Then, option B. Choose the correct option. The flower of which of these plants are eaten as vegetable? The flower of which of these plants are eaten as vegetable? Options: broccoli and cauliflower, cabbage and ginger, banana, both A and B. Okay, what is the used as a vegetables? Broccoli and flowers. Yes, banana flower also you used as a vegetable. Yes, so option A and B. Answer is D. D. You put it in D. Okay. The seed of these plants are used as a spices. Wheat, cumin, maize, chickpea. Yes. Which one? Cumin is used as a spices. Yes. You know wheat is a cereals. Maize is a cereals. Maize, chickpea is a pulses. Okay. Then, which of these is made if you put a few drops of lemon juice into cold milk? Paneer. What is the option? Paneer. So, D. Okay. Then, does this food product is obtained from beehives? Beehives? Honey. Honey. Okay. Honey. Which of these do carnivores depend on for their food? Plants. Okay. All the animals are depend upon plants. Okay. Herbivores depend upon plants. Already we learned. Herbivores eat only plant and plant products. Then, which of the following animals is a carnivore? Snake, squirrel, tiger, cows. Which of the animals? Okay, options are butterfly, spider, honeybee, squirrel. Which option is correct? Spider. Yes. All others are herbivorous. Now, spider eats small insect. Then, seventh question. Which of these animals have sharp edged front teeth? Squirrel. Yes. What is the answer? Option B. Which of these animals swallow their prey whole? Snake. Option A. Which of these animals decompose dead plants and animals? Fungi and bacteria. Option B. Which of the following birds have a sharp and pointed beak? Pointed beak. Which a bird? Crow. Okay. Once again listen. Choose the correct option. First answer is D. Second one B. Third one D. Fourth A. Fifth option A. Sixth option B. Seventh option B. Eighth option A. Ninth option B. 10th one option C. Okay. Next. Roman letter 2. Very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. Okay. The green pigment present in leaves of green plants. The leaves are green in color. Yes. Which pigment is present in the leaves? Chlorophyll. Which pigment? Chlorophyll. Then, the process by which plant prepare their own food. The process by which plant prepare their own food. The plant prepare their own food by which process? Photosynthesis process. Okay. Products obtained from milk. The products are made from milk is which product? Dairy product. Dairy product or milk product. The process by which milk gets separated into solid and liquid parts. Making paneer. Yes, if you add some lemon juice means they convert it into two layers, solid and liquid layer. Yes, the solid layer is used for making paneer. Curding. Which process? Curding. Organisms that decompose dead plants and animals are called as decomposers. Organisms that decompose dead plants and animals, decomposers. Once you listen, first one answer chlorophyll. Second one photosynthesis. Third one dairy products. Fourth one curding. Fifth one decomposer. Next, Roman 2B. Roots that we use as vegetable. Write any two answer. Okay. Carrot, beetroot, radish. Any two you note it. Okay. And now I am going to give carrot and beetroot. Stems that we eat as a vegetables. Stem. Ginger, potato. Not only this, the other some also have. Yes. But the banana stem, lotus stem, then after sugar cane. Okay, then leaves that we used as a vegetable, spinach, cabbage. Okay, then seeds that are eaten for sprouting. Okay, seeds that are eaten after sprouting, mung bean and chickpea. Okay, mung bean and chickpea. Animals that give us egg, can, duck and goose also, any two. Okay, here is the next short answer type question. Next one, short answer type question. What are the main sources of food? Page number 11. Page number 11. You know, plant pods and animal products are our main sources of food. Plant pods and animal products are the main sources of food. Okay, that is the first question, short answer. Second one, what is sprouting? What is sprouting? Page number 13. 1-3, page number 13. They have in a second para, second line. Sprouting involves soaking seed, draining the water and leave them till they germinate. That is the second short answer. Third question, why do we need to have calcium rich food? Okay, why do we need to have calcium rich food? Page number 14. Question here, listen, question here you want to write the page number also. Okay, question here you want to write the page number also. Okay, now how you want to mark this way? Okay, visible. Here you see from a milk. Okay, milk, the third line. Calcium is required for proper growth of teeth and bones and for nerve functioning. That means the two line, Roman 3. Then, how do we commonly make hard at home? Page number 15. 1-5. Okay, page number 15. They have curd. That one, that 4 line. Okay, common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd in warm milk. The micro is present in the curd sample. Turn the milk into curd. Okay. Then define the following terms: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Page number 18. 1-8. They have keywords. They have two headings: herbivore, carnivore, herbivore to up to the omnivorous. This I am reading. Herbivore. Herbivore, an animal that eat only plant and plant products is called herbivore. Carnivore, an animal that eats only the flesh of other animals is called a carnivore. Omnivore, an animal that eats both the plants and flesh of other animals is called a omnivore. Okay, these three, Roman 3-5. Okay, then long answer type question. Describe with the example how plants are an important source of food. Page number 12. Page number 12. Okay. Here you see from the green plants. Have you know? Green plants. Here you put Roman 4-1 up to the end. Next page up to the vegetables. Up to the vegetables. Okay. Raw under termed as vegetables. Okay. Shortly I will give WhatsApp group. Okay. Then, what are milk products? The help of paneer and curd. Explain how we get them. Page number 15. 1-5. Okay. They have products made from milk. There you want to put Roman 4 to up to the paneer. Okay. Products made from products you want to mark. Open the bracket. Then from milk are known as dairy products. Some common dairy products are discussed below. Okay. Paneer. Paneer can be made by adding lemon juice or vinegar to hot milk. Okay. This process is called curding. This results in the separation of milk into solid and liquid parts. Then the liquid portion of the milk is drained off and the solid part form paneer. There you close the bracket and you put Roman 4-2. Then you have one more also, curd. Okay. Curd. There you open the bracket and put Roman 4-2. Common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd in warm water, milk. The microorganisms present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Up to that much, Roman 3-4. Then, which question? Third question. Classify animals based on the type of food they eat. Explain each group in detail. Each group in detail. Okay. From this answer is in page number 16 and 17. Okay. 16 and 17. Then write a notes on the type of teeth found in the following group animals. Page number 60, same page. Okay. Then differentiate between scavengers and decomposers with the example. Page number 70. Okay. Listen students, I send all the answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay. You check it and mark it all the answer in your book. Okay. Those who are reading a book, note it in your class note and write to my books. Okay. Thank you.